Hello everyone, welcome to the series of data analysis using Excel. This is Dr. Atman Shah. In this video, I'm going to discuss how to insert box diagram in Excel. You can find more videos on Excel, SPSS, RStudio, Econometrics, Mathematical Economics, and Statistics on my YouTube channel. So don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Now let's understand the use of box plot. Box plot basically shows the distribution of the data and outliers if we have any. So here I have the hypothetical data on gender and gender of students and their marks in mathematics. So let's see how to insert a box diagram. So first you select the data. So I'm selecting gender and maths column. Go to insert. In insert here we have the option of see all charts. Go to all charts. And in all charts, we have the option of box and whisker plot. So select box and whisker. You can see the output here and then click OK. So now we have the box plot and chart 1 box plot. You select the chart or click on chart, click on this plus sign and add data labels. Now, how to interpret this? That is very important. Now, entire box plot is bifurcated into 5 parts. Now, let's understand each part. First part is minimum value. So, this is minimum value. Then we have quartile 1. Then we have quartile 2, this line, horizontal line. Then quartile 3, and this is maximum value. So, you can see the minimum value in maths marks is 12 and in female it is 14. Maximum is 47 in female and 48 in male. Now, this is outlier. So here we can see that 25% observations are between these two. 25% observations fall between minimum and Q1. Another 25 between Q1 and Q2. Another 25 between Q2 and Q3. And the remaining 25 between Q3 and maximum value. So here we have the outlier in male group. Now, how to identify this outlier? You can see the value is 3. So you select the maths column. Select the maths column. Then you go to, sorry. So select maths column. Go to conditional formatting. In conditional formatting, we have the option of equal to. So you select this and write 3 because the value of outlier is 3. Click OK. Now you can see this 3 is highlighted here. That means roll number 12 is our outlier. So this is how we can find the outlier using box plot. If you find this video useful, kindly like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.